Hi, this is Gary Jordan for Natural Law for North America, and this is going to actually be a second video for the day. And I wanted to go over with something that I've been thinking about lately, and that is our examples that we think the only examples we have of natural law societies are primitive hunter-gatherers. But is that in fact the case? I'm starting to wonder. As if you may have listened to my last video on reincarnation, I've been studying, and I've been off and on studying since I was 12, 13, India, the Hindu Vedic culture, and then Buddhism. But some stuff has been brought recently to my attention that I hadn't considered. We know the Indus Valley culture, for example, is extremely advanced. I mean, they had locks for the Indus Valley so they could control the river water level of the river for the boats and stuff. I mean, they were that sophisticated. They had mathematics. They were the ones that invented the zero. Their science and their architecture was spectacular for its time. They had running water. They had a lot of stuff. But what I found out a few years ago is they were also apparently an aesthetic society. They have statues, pictures, and their little seals of what looked like a Shiva figure doing extremely advanced yoga postures, a sitting posture that I've never heard of before, and apparently take several levels, several different preliminary postures to get to. It's so advanced already, and that's 6,000 years ago. And it made me wonder, though, and other stuff. So we know there were an aesthetic culture. Their thinking process for orientation, in spite of that, they were physically advanced materially. And my wonder, are they an example? And I'm starting to explore this. Are they an example of a natural law society that's advanced, that has textiles and metallurgy and all this other stuff that we assume only happened? We assumed only happened during the more primitive styles of authoritarianism like Babylon, Samaria, the Roman Empire, the Greeks, who were not very sophisticated in a spiritual way. And that's kind of where I'm going at, and I would like some feedback and thoughts on that. I listened to a video the other day of a Westerner turned Vedic called Brahmin, I guess. He was wearing the colors of a Brahmin. But he's teaching the Brahmin culture and its history and stuff. Apparently he's named Stephen Knaps. And his video on the environment mentioned two things that caught my attention. In the Vedic culture, in the traditional Sanskrit, they even have a Sanskrit word that means Mother Earth. They treat the earth as also a mother, a living being. And the other thing that caught my attention was how strongly he spoke about how we treated the earth showed or didn't show our respect to God, because it belongs to God, not to us. The ownership thing, the resources, the materials for our abundance, for our well-being, are gifted. He was emphatic about it. I should find the video and actually put it on this. I don't know how to put new videos on this channel, but I should share it in the forum, because it really struck my attention, caught my attention, that they may very well have been an advanced form of natural law society, because they were oriented towards discovering what God was through yoga and meditation, advanced medicine such as Ayurveda, a predecessor to Feng Shui called Vastu, all this stuff. Anyway, that's just what I'm thinking about, and if anyone has any thoughts, please send them to me. I'm probably not through the video comments. I rarely look over natural law for North America YouTube. I use my other one, but in the forums or a counter video. That would get my attention. But anyway, so you guys enjoy this one. This is just a short one, just to show you where I'm thinking. Because I'm really interested to see if others are thinking the same way. Thank you very much. Have a great day.